Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam profile picture. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several profile-related options. From this drop-down menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page where you can see how your profile appears to other users and access various customization settings. This is essentially your profile's home base where you can make changes to how you present yourself on the Steam platform. Now look at the right panel of your profile page. You'll notice an Edit Profile button there. Click on it to enter the profile editing mode. This is where you can modify various aspects of your profile, including your avatar, background, and personal information. The Edit Profile section gives you full control over your Steam identity. Once you're in the editing interface, navigate to the left panel where you'll find several customization categories. Look for and click on Avatar. This option specifically controls your profile picture, which is what other Steam users see when they interact with you in games, on the community hub, or in your friends list. After selecting Avatar, turn your attention back to the right panel. You'll see an option that says Upload your avatar. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your new profile picture. This will open a file browser window allowing you to choose an image from your computer. Browse through your folders and select the image you want to use as your new Steam profile picture, then click Open. The image will be uploaded to Steam's servers and you'll be taken to a cropping interface. If you need to adjust how the image appears or want to crop it to focus on a specific area, you can do that now. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to confirm your cropping choices. Finally, to apply all the changes you've made to your profile, click the Save button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will finalize your new profile picture and make it visible to everyone on Steam. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam profile picture and updated how you appear to the Steam community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.